The future just unfolded. Literally. Meet the Huawei triple fold phone, a bold leap into next-gen design. At first glance it looks like a regular premium smartphone, but in seconds it transforms not once but twice, unfolding into a stunning tablet-sized display. Huawei has ditched hinges and bezels like they're yesterday's news. You get a seamless OLED panel that spans across 3 folds, offering an immersive cinematic experience right in your pocket. Multitasking? It crushes it. Imagine 3 apps running side by side with zero lag, powered by Huawei's latest Kirin chip and a 5000 mAh battery to back it up. The build feels solid, not gimmicky. Magnesium alloy frame, matte glass finish, and surprisingly lightweight for something this ambitious. Cameras, triple lens Leica optics, day or night, folded or open image quality is crisp, with Pro mode features that actually feel useful. Downsides? Pricey, of course. And it's not exactly jeans pocket friendly, but then again, this isn't built for everyone, it's for early adopters and tech lovers who want to own the future. Huawei's triple fold isn't just a phone, it's a statement. Would you carry a tablet in your pocket? Now you can.